Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Jet to Mastery. In this video, we are going to solve print reverse digit problem. Actually, the question is very simple. User will enter the input. We have to display the digit in a reversed manner, which means, so our input is 1234. Our output will be, what is the last digit? That is 4. Then 3. The next last digit is 2. The last one is 1. Okay, so this is the input and this is the output. So let's think how we are going to solve. See, before that you have to understood two things. What is the difference between divided by 10 and modulo by 10? See, divided by 10 means you are going to destroy the last digit. So destroy the last digit. But modulo by 10 means, so we are fetch the last digit. So we are getting the last digit. Okay. So getting last digit. So this two is enough to solve this problem. So prerequisite is previous question. If you haven't solve that question, please solve it, then continue with this problem. Okay, so our input is, let's take our input is 1234. Okay, the task is, so we have to display the last digit. How can we take only this last digit? So the last digit with the help of modulo by 10, right? So I'm going to directly print. So let's take, this is my number. So print, what I am going to print? Number modulo of 10. It will print the last digit, right? 4. It will print the last digit. How? See, 1234. I am going to divide it by 10. See, divided means quotient. What is the quotient? 123. 123. Remainder is 4. So this is your remainder. This is your quotient. That's it. So modulo by 10 means you will get the last digit. So I will get the last digit. My question is, yes, I have got the 4. So do you want to get this 4 again? Not really. So once I have get this 4, I am going to destroy the last digit. How it is possible? How we are going to destroy the last digit? With the help of divided by 10. So I am saying my n equal to n by 10. That's it. So now my number will become 1123, right? So in this 123, I need a last digit. How can I take n mod 10? So if I do mod 10, I will get a last digit. So once I get a last digit, I don't want this last digit again. So I have used this. So I am going to destroy. How can I destroy? With the help of n equal to n by 10. So I have destroyed this last digit. Now my number become 12. So 12, in this 12, I need a last digit. What is my last digit? 2. So n mod 10, I have got this 2. So after I have fetched this 2, I am going to destroy the last digit with the help of n equal to n by 10. So my number become 1. That is fine. After that, my number is 1. I need a last digit of 1. 1 mod 10 is a 1. So I got this 1 as well. So after that, after I fetched 1, I am going to do n equal to n by 10. My n become completely 0 in this case. So from starting point is 1234. So before 0, I have to do this process again and again. So directly you can do it in while loop. So while your n greater than 0, you can continue with this process. That's it. It's a very simple code. Okay. So let's code it up. Okay, let's declare the scanner class first. Scanner scn equal to new scanner system.in. Next, get the value int n equal to scn.next int. Okay, after that, so your condition is while n greater than 0 or n not equal to 0, anything. System.out.print ln of n mod 10. Yes, I got the last digit. So once I got the last digit, I am going to see my n become, this is my n, 1234. In this case, I have printed 4. After I have used 4, I am going to destroy that 4, right? So how can I destroy? N equal to n by 10. Yes, I have destroyed that 4. Now my n become 123. In this 123, I have printed 3. After that, n equal to n by 10 means I have destroyed this 3. So it will print the last digit of 2. So after that, I have destroyed this 2. So finally 1. So I have printed, then it will be destroyed, the condition will terminate, while loop will terminate. So let's run the code. Will it work or not? So my given input is 1234. Yes, this is what we are expecting, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's give another input. 987654321. It's a big number actually. Yes, I hope. See, the last digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got the output. This is what we are expecting. I hope you have understood this problem. So I will catch up you in next week. I will catch up you in the next interesting problem. Until then, bye bye. Take care.